Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this makeup look right here. It's using the KYLIE Cosmetics Nice palette. I just got it in the mail. Couldn't wait to play with it. It's so pretty. This look is perfect for a night out or even Valentine's Day because that's coming up before we know it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the KYLIE Cosmetics Nice palette. So as you can see, I already have my base pretty much done. I'm gonna add a bit more bronzer and blush to tie the whole look together, as well as the lip. When we're done with the eye look, I just want this to be a quick, easy tutorial because you guys see me do my face makeup a ton of times and it really hasn't changed. So we're gonna do a really soft, dramatic kind of look. So let's just get started. So first, I'm gonna start off using Miracle all over my lid. And then next I'm gonna go in with this tapered blending brush and I'm going to put Santa Baby. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Macaroon. I'm gonna go in with Gumdrop for the lid, and I'm gonna spray this flat shader brush with some of my Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. So I'm going to use a small tapered blending brush and I'm going to go in with Wonderland. With a smaller flat shader brush, I'm going to go in with Jack Frost, which is the lightest palette too. The worst part about this palette is already is so white that I've already ruined it. Go figure. So now with the bottom lower lash line, I'm going to take what's left on my brush. Honestly, too much on my lower lash line. I feel like it closes up my eye. So to give this look a little bit more, because I feel like I could use it, I'm going to go with my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Retro Rose Gold. And now to finish off my face, I'm going to go with my KKW Beauty Contour Kit in medium. Love them, hate them. Now I'm going to go with my NARS, my Extremely Dirty NARS blush palette, and going in with this color. Go back in with the contour kit, and I'm going to use the pink highlighter. Spray my face with a little Tatcha. So for my lips, I'm going to start by lining them with the World Lip Liner by MAC. Then next I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Melted Matte in Sellout. And because I feel like doing a glossy lip, I'm gonna go in with my Buxom Full On Lip Polish in Sophia. This is my favorite nude lip gloss. It's gorgeous. This is the final result. I hope you guys liked this makeup look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next video.